Why pre guys, welcome back to my channel. Giving you a daily dose of Elden ring for the Saturday morning, yeah. So I just reach a new dungeon, yeah. And I don't really know what 100 about, yeah. We're just running for me, you see me? Making it fun and enjoyable. Right in Scarlet Rat. Alright, you see to me? So far I think that Scarlet Rat are the worst status effect in a one game. You see me? Poison nobody, no. Poison nobody. I have one next one called toxic, but them they slow. This one come like it just come for kill quick. So if you don't need fee, do nothing about it. You don't know, so you have to avoid all of that. And then no give me no really give me nothing for cure and all of that. Me no get no spell yet, and me no really get the item. The three item I could have buy. I just three alone, so I have to find how to make it. Oh, you see so? You can't chop yourself if you get one wall, you see me? So anyway, we move on them people. Ross, move. Yo, them box me into fart that me I go get Scarlet Rat. So it's all you have to do. I know what that man and mommy dead. You know yourself, man. I don't kill none of your people yet. All you have to do is stand there so. Make it breeze off a bit because I don't want easy ailment. I mean, I have nothing to take off. So, what I do, you can walk on and make something here. I ain't no catch you, see me? Alright, is it anywhere like you see the big city turn up? Probably. Probably you can see if you see me kill a boy here. Yeah, the animation is actually bad, you know, because what the fire catch the... Yeah, I wonder if my bomb body can catch me now, so. The animation is a little bad, you see me, fire catch it. Alright. You miss, bitch. Run. No. I just see Scarlet Rat on my problem, brother. Scarlet Rat on my problem. Alright, run, bumbo clock me to get it. No matter how me I try, no get it, me get it. Well, at least it make it so easier, because I don't need to avoid it no more. So alright. The boss door this one. Alright, so I have to find all the way how to get it. Whoops. You see that? Wall this so and I dodge from somebody. You see me? So I tell you, say you just everything you go, just use up your sword, man. Use up your sword. Well, you see me? Never stop. Just keep on. I not even know how I'm gonna beat this up also with the ailment upon me. So now I just I need more of that. I just summon him, you see me? If you help me out because my life I go and dwindle down. I don't know how. Cemetery shade. Someone about, you know, in body. In weak but in body. Bumbo clot. No. Alright. What am I tell about? Mind your mother. You see it? You know too terrible for killing her, but you see because you have a Scarlet Rat. Yeah, they go ugly sitting there. I think me get want someone that in our back. They go ugly sitting them every week. That I think they might shoot out the little something like spine off of you. That's what the spirit at me just get. But I don't think I'm gonna use the one day. Alright, watch a prayer now, guys. You know, so I come and say I'm gonna buy something from the merchant down there, so I know say you did it so. I know say the boss said this so we are rotten, you see me? But watch out. Look down there so you can see that little black big ugly sitting there down there so. It's another boss that you know. I guess it's problem no. It's not even 5 minutes away. But another me really come for. You see it? Two boss in the vicinity. But make sure when me really come for. When me really say me have to kick off the boy face. Really say me have to kick off the boy face. And my plan for you see there it gets alright. You can see the wing up there so. Cause me fighting the first time I ain't give me no problem, you know. But I true ain't go evolve in a Charizard. I ain't go drink a Red Bull, give me wing, swear so I'm bad. But watch out. I try to say I can use something for me sword. Lightning, I shall use lightning. I wonder if I can poison. I try to use poison. You see me? I deal with him. I don't lie him bad. Boy, bad. Alright, like you go up there, so I'll go for my life. Bitch. Bumbo clot. Fuck no man, this a man. Bumbo, run donkey, run. I have to get back some life. Alright. I don't know man like fight this sick like so in a bud. It's the one that can't be helped, brother. I don't know what to do him. I was wrong, man. Evolve. Mega evolution, this one. Alright. All the donkey get confused to rotted. And then me can't use some money. Me bomba! Oh, what is this? Bomba! Run! Missile! Stagano! 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 Bomba! Stagano! Stagano! Yeah, man. Do not get up yet. No get up yet. No get up yet. Rotted. But yeah, dead still. That's a fact. Yeah, dead still. Bombard. Pussy suck your mouth. Oh, yo. Believe me, guys. You can't fight him any way you want to fight him, you know, but me believe, you see, you have to just use the donkey, because he know easy, you see me? So guys, as always, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell another friend, watch, like, comment, you know, follow my YouTube channel at Yardi Gaming, that's YARDIGAMING Gaming. That show some love now, and as always, I'm out.